Hello there, and today we're going to show you how to remove green screen in Hitfilm. So I'll show you what we mean. We've got a green screen animation here, and if we press play on the viewer, you can see it's a little subscribe button. So while you're here, you might as well hit that subscribe button and like the video. But back onto it, we've got the green screen here, and we've got a file or a screen that we want to show behind it. This could be any video. Now, as we can see at the moment, if we drag this main file over onto the video track 1, and it'll say the editor sequence settings different from the clip you're adding, we're going to click yes, so that's fine, it's just making it smaller. So obviously that's the file that we've added, and this is what it's going to look like if we take it back to the beginning, and it's just a simple animation. So nothing complex there. And as usual, when we're adding something on top of it, we're going to have to add a new video track above this. So if we right click in this little blank space here and press insert track, we get a video 2 track where we can now drag on our little subscribe animation. All great. But if we play the video now, we've got it the size of our previous animation in the background. However, we can't see anything behind it, which is obviously not what we want. We want to be able to see the video behind it. We don't want it to take over the whole screen. So we need to remove this green screen so then we can see this animation that we've got on this side behind it. And it's quite simple for us to do that. Over in the panel in the bottom left hand corner, we need to go across to effects. So we're on media at the moment, we need to go to effects. And if you scroll all the way down, you'll start up at the top here, scroll all the way down. If you go to presets, 2D effects, you'll notice there's one called green screen key. And if you grab that, left click on it and drag it all the way across to our video 2 track, which contains our animation with the green screen, and we release the left click button, we'll notice without any further configuration that the green's disappeared and we can now see the background again. So if we press play on this now, we can see our animation still in the foreground there for our subscription, but also we can see behind it now we've not got the green screen anymore, and it's as simple as that. Your green screen there is now removed from your animation on the top, so it's important that you have that animation on the top, because then your subscribe element or whatever it is will show on top of your video that's in the video 1 element. But now you can see both clearly, and that's it. That's green screen removal in Hitfilm. We've used 2023.1 here, but it's the same process in previous versions as well. Hope that helps. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Hitfilm tutorials, and we shall see you again shortly. Bye!